Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to lock apps with the password and hide it. So here you can see WhatsApp. I am going to lock this WhatsApp with password and hide it. So go to Galaxy Store app, tap on this icon, then search for S space secure. S space secure. Then you can see this app. This app is from Samsung Electronics. Install it. Okay, done. So this is the app. Let me open it. So here you can see lock and mask apps option. Tap on that. Then enable it. Here you can see one button. Tap on that and enable it. Next we need to set the password. So we have these 5 options: pattern, pin, password, face and fingerprint lock. So let me select pattern. Then we can draw one pattern. Then tap on continue, then confirm it. Done. After that we can select apps which you want to password protect. So here you can see 2 options: locked apps and masked apps. Using this locked apps option you can password protect your apps. Using this masked apps option you can actually hide your apps. So let me first go to this locked apps, tap on that, then tap on add. You can see add here, tap on add. Then you can select app which you want to password protect. I am going to select WhatsApp, then tap on done. Okay, so let me verify it. You can see one lock on this WhatsApp icon. If you tap on WhatsApp, it will, right now it's not asking for password. That is because we need to make this change, we need to save this change. For that we need to just switch off the screen, just off it and on, just press the power button, then login. After that if you try to open WhatsApp, see it's asking for password. You need to enter the password. So that is the lock option. So let me go to the hide or mask option. Let me select this masked apps, then tap on add, then tap on WhatsApp again, then tap on done. Here you can see the message. Actually you can use only one of this option. You cannot use both. If you lock, you cannot hide it. If you hide, you cannot lock it. So I am going to hide it. Just tap on mask. You can, let me go back. Now you can see this WhatsApp has moved from locked apps list to masked apps list. Now WhatsApp is masked. That means it's hidden. See, if you check, there is no WhatsApp icon. It's hidden, so nobody can see it, WhatsApp icon. If you want to open WhatsApp, you have to again go to this S-Secure app, enter the password, then go to masked apps list. You need to unmask this app. After that you can see the WhatsApp, you can open it. There is no password in that option. It just hide the app icon. So these are the 2 options. One is you can lock app with password. Second one is you can hide the apps which you want. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.